basically, what I like to do first, I like to mute the color of my lips. As you can see, my natural color is like this rosy color, so we're gonna get rid of that by applying a little bit of my foundation. And this is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. My camera can focus, and I am in the shade Sand, and we're only gonna need a little bit. I'm just using it to mute the color of my lips so that when I apply my lip color, it's gonna be true to color. And I'm using my foundation rather than a concealer, because as you can see, I'm applying it all around, and I'm going out of my lip area, of course, and so I want it to be the same shade as the rest of my face. If I were to apply a concealer, it would be much lighter, and then you could see a halo around my lips, and that's not cute. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take this lip liner. This is from NYX in the shade, this is Natural 810, and I'm just lining my lips. The good thing about nude lip colors is that you don't have to be too precise. It's not like if you were to apply like a red color where you can see every little line and mistake. This one is more forgiving. So now that I have my lips lined, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the color over it. And the color that I'll be using is from MAC, and this is Velvet Teddy. It's one of my favorite nudes from MAC. The nice thing about lining your lips before applying your lip color is that throughout the day, if your lipstick runs out, you will still have the lip liner underneath, and it will still give you a little bit of color. So there it is. And lastly, I like to apply highlighter to my on top of my cupid's bow and also on the center of my lip. So for that, I'm going to be taking this highlighter from MAC as well. This is Global Glow. And with my fan brush, I'm just going to apply it to the top of my cupid's bow. And this is just going to give me a nice highlight on top. And then using my finger, I'm also applying it to the center of my lower lip. Just like that. And there it is. Really quickly, I just wanted to show you guys how I like to apply my nude lipstick. And I did use a couple products, so hopefully that's enough for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to hear from you guys soon. Bye bye.